Imagine walking up to a car that doesn't just look fast, it looks inevitable. That's the first impression you get from the 2026 Lamborghini Canterio, a machine that occupies the rare space between technical mastery and pure emotion. The moment you see it in profile, the Canterio's silhouette is unmistakably Lamborghini. The proportions are dramatic yet deliberate, defined by a cab-forward stance, a sharply raked windshield, and a roofline that flows seamlessly into a rear deck. Every panel appears tensioned, as if the metal itself is under controlled pressure. The surfaces don't merely reflect light, they fracture it into sharp highlights and deep shadows, emphasizing the car's angular identity. Aerodynamics are not an afterthought but a central design philosophy. Deep side intakes channel air efficiently toward the mid-mounted engine and cooling systems, while subtle contour lines along the doors help reduce turbulence. Even the underbody has been engineered to manage airflow, contributing to both stability and efficiency at speed. The front fascia is aggressive without being chaotic. The angular LED headlights carry a distinctive light signature that instantly identifies the car at night. Integrated air curtains direct airflow around the front wheels, minimizing drag and improving high-speed composure. A low splitter extends just enough to generate meaningful downforce without compromising everyday usability. At the rear, the quad exhaust outlets sit prominently within an adaptive diffuser system. This active aerodynamic setup adjusts its angle depending on speed and drive mode, increasing downforce during spirited driving and reducing drag when cruising. The taillights form sharp geometric patterns that feel futuristic yet purposeful, and the broad rear haunches visually communicate the mechanical grip provided by the wide rear tires. Opening the scissor-style door feels ceremonial. The cabin reveals a driver-centric layout that blends motorsport inspiration with contemporary luxury. The seating position is low and intimate, placing you closer to the car's center of gravity. The seats themselves are deeply contoured, designed to hold you securely during aggressive cornering, yet padded strategically to remain comfortable over longer journeys. Fine stitching details and contrasting color accents give the interior a bespoke quality, allowing buyers to personalize materials and finishes extensively. Directly ahead, the fully digital instrument cluster adapts dynamically to driving conditions. In performance modes, the central tachometer dominates the display, flanked by real-time telemetry such as torque distribution, boost levels from the hybrid system, and lap timing functions. In calmer settings, navigation maps and media information take precedence, creating a more relaxed driving atmosphere. The secondary touchscreen integrates climate control, audio, and vehicle configuration settings into a streamlined interface. Importantly, Lamborghini retains physical switches for essential controls, offering satisfying mechanical feedback that reinforces the car's analog roots in a digital age. At the heart of the Canterio lies its most compelling feature: a hybrid-enhanced V10 powertrain. The naturally aspirated V10 preserves the emotional character Lamborghini is known for, delivering a sharp throttle response and a high revving crescendo that builds toward an exhilarating redline. Complementing this is a compact electric motor integrated into the transmission housing. This motor supplies instant torque from 0 RPM, filling in the low-end power band and eliminating any sensation of lag. The combined system output exceeds 800 horsepower. But the more impressive aspect is how seamlessly that power is delivered. Acceleration feels immediate and relentless. From a standstill, the electric motor provides a near-silent surge before the V10 erupts into its distinctive mechanical symphony. The transition between electric assistance and combustion power is smooth, maintaining a linear torque curve that feels both intuitive and forceful. The dual-clutch transmission shifts with astonishing speed, executing gear changes in milliseconds while maintaining stability, whether operating in automatic mode or through paddle shifters. The gearbox delivers crisp, decisive engagement. The all-wheel drive system is calibrated for dynamic precision. Under normal driving, power distribution favors the rear wheels for a more engaging feel. When traction demands increase, torque is redistributed instantly, ensuring stability without diluting driver involvement. Advanced torque vectoring enhances cornering performance by selectively braking or powering individual wheels, tightening the car's line through bend. On winding roads, the steering communicates surface texture and grip levels with clarity, fostering confidence at higher speeds. The adaptive suspension system constantly analyzes road conditions and driving inputs. In comfort mode, the dampers absorb imperfections gracefully, making the Canterio surprisingly compliant for daily use. Switch to sport or track modes, and the suspension firms noticeably, reducing body roll and sharpening response. The chassis feels balanced and composed, allowing the driver to explore the performance envelope without unpredictability. Weight distribution benefits from the hybrid battery placement, which has been strategically positioned to maintain a low center of gravity. Braking performance is equally formidable. Massive carbon ceramic rotors paired with multi-piston calipers provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance. Pedal feel is progressive and communicative, enabling precise modulation, whether easing into a tight corner or executing a high-speed stop. Regenerative braking from the hybrid system subtly contributes to deceleration, improving efficiency without compromising natural pedal response. Despite its formidable capabilities, the Canterio retains a surprising level of practicality. Hybrid system enables short-distance, electric-only operation in urban settings, reducing emissions and noise when desired. Advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control and lane monitoring, enhance everyday usability. The infotainment system supports seamless smartphone integration, ensuring connectivity without distraction. Ultimately, what defines the 2026 Lamborghini Canterio is its duality. It is at once a technologically advanced hybrid supercar and a raw, emotionally engaging performance machine. It can cruise quietly through city streets, offering refinement and sophistication, then transform instantly into a razor-sharp instrument capable of delivering thrilling acceleration and cornering precision. The hybrid elements do not dilute its character. Instead, they enhance responsiveness and broaden its usability. The result is a vehicle that embodies modern supercar evolution, one that respects Lamborghini's heritage while confidently embracing the future. Asterisk, by the end of the day, what the Lamborghini Canterio delivers is a complete performance package. It's bold in appearance, brutally effective in performance, and surprisingly adaptable in real life. Whether you're a seasoned track driver or a supercar enthusiast looking for the next evolution of exotic performance, the Canterio speaks to both the heart and the head, and it does so with the unmistakable bravado that only a Lamborghini can truly own.